Although a cat's claws can do severe damage to their prey, they can be a sensitive part of their anatomy. Strong nails imply the cat is in good health, and signs of damage to them imply the opposite. Nails are used to defend themselves against threats, climb, manipulate their environment, and even mark their territory. Ensuring they are healthy will help ensure a cat will be able to carry out their innate feline behavior. When we see unhealthy cat claws, we need to know why this has happened. There are many possible causes of cat nail problems, so this video will help you to distinguish the possible reason why your cat's claws are unhealthy. Nail and nail bed disorders may refer to any abnormality or disease that affects the claws or the surrounding area. The disorders are generally known as dystrophies. One type of nail disorder, paronychia, is an infection that causes inflammation of the tissue around the nail or claw. Onychomycosis, or fungal infection, can also occur in and around the nail bed. Cats may exhibit extremely brittle nails, onychorexis, or have nails that separate, peel, and slough excessively, onychomatosis. Most nail or nail bed disorders have an excellent treatment prognosis and can be remedied in a relatively short amount of time. The importance of cat nails. Nails are solid structures made up of multiple layers of hardened dead epithelial cells that contain keratin. Keratin is the main component of nails and hair in cats, as it is in humans. The part known as the nail bed is the connective tissue that lies under the main body of the nail and connects to the toe, or digit. Among the main reasons cats use their nails are marking the territory, catching and killing prey, holding on to surfaces, stabilization and hooking, excavation, kneading, personal hygiene. Marking territory occurs because the cat has glands in their paw pads that secrete pheromones. These are unique to the individual cat and warn others not to enter. Claws can also help cats to manipulate their environment, proving them to be very dexterous animals. The amount of force used is up to the cat, and they can use them to scratch and groom themselves or each other without causing harm. Chipped nails. Chipped nails are a result of a painless break in the nail, the cracks of which can be parallel to the toes or peel off layers. Multiple cracks are usually seen on the tip, but they do not usually interfere with anything in the quality of life of the cat or their daily activities. However, this problem can be exacerbated by their normal feline behaviors such as climbing and scratching. The problem will be worse if more than one nail is affected. In these cases, it is best to trim the affected claw or claws to prevent the injury from worsening. If we don't, the cat can experience acute discomfort. Symptoms of claw and nail disorders in cats. A cat's claws can be affected by various disorders. In fact, it is thought that around 2% of all domestic cats suffer from some type of nail disorder. Nail disorders can present in infections, dystrophies, or various other problems. The unhealthy cat claw could be a symptom of a systemic disease, or there is a problem with the nail itself. Ingrown claws are possible where the nail grows into the paw pad, often due to injury. Compulsive licking and biting at the claws. Difficulty walking. Pain in the paws. Swelling and inflammation of skin around the nails. Nail plate deformities. Abnormal nail color. Causes of claw and nail disorders in cats. Most claw disorders in cats are caused by some sort of infection, but that is not the case for all cats. Nail disorders can be caused by any of the following: bacterial or fungal infections, cancerous tumors, trauma to the nail, immune system illnesses, brittle nails, high levels of growth hormone, birth disorders, cutting the nails too close to the nail bed and thus leaving them open to infection, neoplasia. Hello. This video is sponsored by BMX Pets. Are you looking for high-quality cat collars at an affordable cost? Check out bmxpets.com. Use coupon code KittenLife to get 20% off. Diagnosis of claw and nail disorders in cats. While claw disorders may seem relatively minor, they can be caused by serious infections or even major diseases like cancer. For this reason, it is vital that a cat be taken into a trusted veterinarian who can diagnose the underlying cause of the nail disorder. The veterinarian will ask for a medical history of the cat to determine if the issue is congenital or caused at birth. It is also important to tell the veterinarian if the cat's nails have recently been trimmed, as this is a common cause of infection when not done properly. After the veterinarian has a complete medical history, they will begin a physical examination. They will examine the individual nails to determine how many nails have been affected. If more than one nail is causing trouble, it could mean that the cat has a serious medical condition. If further tests are needed, a veterinarian may take a skin scraping from the skin near the cat's nail and send the sample to be analyzed at the lab. This will determine what is causing the nail disorder and, depending upon the results, a further bacterial or fungal culture may need to be taken to know exactly what the issue is. Treatment of claw and nail disorders in cats. Treatment of the nail disorder will vary largely based upon the cause of the disorder. While most solutions are easy and non-invasive, more serious treatments may be required in special cases. Bacterial or fungal infections. Infections can be treated with either oral medications or topical ointments that are applied directly to the nail. These treatments often last for a period of 2 to 4 weeks, after which time the cat should return to normal. Skin inflammation. If the skin under or around the nail has become inflamed, the cat might require surgical intervention. This will allow the tissue to drain and return to normal. The surgery is relatively minor with little to no risk, and the cat should be back to normal within 2 weeks after surgery, depending on how quickly their nail regrows. Recovery of claw and nail disorders in cats. In most cases, oral or topical treatments and/or minor surgery will be enough to clear up any issues that the cat is facing. It is important to monitor the nail health of the cat, however, as recurring issues may be indicative of a more serious problem. If the nail disorder returns in any form, it is vital that the cat sees a veterinarian as soon as possible. Another round of treatment may be called for, or the issue could be a symptom of cancer. Either way, these are not things that a pet owner is prepared to treat alone. It is also important that the owner carefully examine how they cut the cat's nails. By cutting too close, they can nick the skin and leave small cuts. This makes it easy for a cat to become infected when doing everyday tasks like exploring and using the litter box. Claw and nail disorders in cats can be expensive to treat. If you suspect your cat is at risk of developing claw and nail disorders, start searching for pet insurance today. Living and management. In most cases, application of the topical treatment or ointment will clear up any nail issues. While there are typically not many serious complications that can arise from these disorders, it is important to observe your cat's recovery and to act promptly if healing does not progress in a positive direction. Prevention. One way to protect your vet from suffering a nail injury or disorder is to avoid cutting too close to the nail bed, too quick, when trimming the nails. Nicks to the skin can occur, opening your cat to infection as it goes about its normal routine. It is essential to look closely at your cat's nails before cutting them so that you can determine exactly where the quick of the nail is, that is, the part of the nail bed that overlays the tissue and blood vessels. You do not want to cut into that part of the nail, only the free edge that extends past the nail bed should be trimmed. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.